Now that I'm a little closer, that's it right there. Let's go up top. Let me show you guys the view. Alright guys, here we go, man. Guys, I'm telling you, man, it's definitely gotten rougher. I say that every time I come here, but man, it's the truth. The weather destroys the roads, and I'm glad it's not been touched, because it's, I'd say 3 or 4 years from now, it'll be a challenge to get up here. I don't know if that little short wheelbase RS1 will make it or not, but I run into my buddy. He's the one that put this flag up here. Man, that's pretty cool, man. But this is what I was talking about, man. You're like on a mohawk up here. Right there's where I come from. But there's a bunch of people riding right there. You probably cannot see them. And right here, I'm like up on the edge, man. You can also go up these little knobs here, but man, they're nowhere near as cool. And actually, you can go back and watch videos from a year or two ago. This here has even gotten worse. This little climb right here, man. Oh, I ain't got a clue what that is. You probably can't see it, but there's some red buildings and stuff over there. But guys, I have put well over 100 miles in today. I'm gonna say 30 of them was blacktop, and that's probably gonna sound crazy to you all, but I was able to ride some awesome trails because I rode those 30 miles of blacktop. When you cover enough ground to go to multiple states, I mean, sometimes you gotta hit some blacktop, and that's part of it. That's the reason I run terabytes, because they last forever. But hey, check this out. I did not see that. Therefore, do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own. Matthew 6:34. Man, my buddy, I ran into him on the way out here. His name's Darren Dotson. Him and Benji Hurley. They do tours around here. So if anybody ever wants a good tour, I'm not real familiar with this area. I'm from Pike County, Kentucky. That we're still in Pike County, but we're like, if you was to straight line it, didn't have to go over mountains, you're probably like 4 miles from West Virginia. So this is their country. But yeah, they're the ones that put this American flag up here. if you can see it. And they put that awesome little Bible verse on there. That's awesome, man. I really needed that. Let's see what else they got over. I see one more. Oh, it's a little kid that passed, but I don't know him, so I'm not going to comment. But if it's a kid, I know he's in heaven now, or she. But all right, guys, I didn't mean to get all, you know, sad in the video or whatever, but it's good stuff up here, man. You got the American flag, you got a Bible verse. You know, if you're struggling, that verse right there says it all. Don't worry about what tomorrow brings, because, you know, today will have its own troubles, but more or less, God will take care of you. You know what I mean? No matter what. But you can see out there, man, there's people up here everywhere. This is Memorial Day weekend too, by the way. But guys, I didn't mean to ramble on, but man, I'm telling you, man, this is the spot up here. I mean, the camera probably ain't gonna do it no justice, but I'm way up here. But anyway, I'm about 30 to 40 miles from my house. It's about 8 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna have to get off here. I'll probably just, it's gonna sound crazy, y'all, I'll probably just ride the blacktop. I don't want to break down the hills by myself. But anyway, guys, once again, I hope you all enjoy my videos. I know I'm not the best speaker at times, but man, I got some good content. I live in the ride capital of the world, and when I'm not racing, I'm gonna get out a little more this year and show you guys. But I hope you all enjoy the video, and God bless you all.